Today we're making Christi style veggie macaroni salad. You're gonna need 2 cups of elbows, chopped onions, scallions, chopped bell peppers, red, green, and yellow. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup cooked corn kernels, a 1/2 cup cooked peas and carrots, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a 1/2 cup of sweet relish, 1 cup of Vegenaise, 1 tablespoon of spicy mustard, a 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's get started. In 4 quarts of water, let's put our 2 cups of macaroni of elbows to boil. While our elbows is on the stove boiling, let's get the dressing together. Add your bell peppers and onions, scallions, your peas and carrots, your corn. Add your brown sugar, your salt, cayenne pepper, and black pepper. Add in about a tablespoon of your spicy mustard, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, half cup of your sweet relish. Let's add that in. Make sure you season to taste. Our macaroni has boiled. Now it's time to get our macaroni salad dressed up, mixed well together. Let's add in our Vegenaise, a better option than mayonnaise. Mix in well. After mixing well, we're gonna put this mix in the refrigerator for an hour before serving. Christi style veggie macaroni salads, all ready to eat. Delicious. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.